Have you wondered if you should take the haldi ginger kadha to avoid corona? Or buy the immunity booster khakra? Or is it safe to eat meat during the current times? This video is going to answer it for you then. Hello there, I am Apurva Joshi, a nutritionist and a foodie. You're watching a video by Unbox Nutrition. Today I'm going to talk about what you need to do to improve your immunity, bust some of the current myths regarding nutrition during COVID, and give you a bunch of official accounts that post trustworthy guidelines in the current times. I regularly answer questions on Quora about nutrition, so you can follow me there if you want to read some of my answers. Recently, I've been getting a lot of questions that ask things like what food starting with K can help cure corona. Now, I wish I could say Kaju Katli or Kulche Chole can cure corona, but unfortunately, they can't. Then, I've also been reading messages which advise certain diets that help you prevent the virus. Today, I saw an image of a packaged snack which was sold as a corona special immunity boosting solution. The misinformation on this topic has been confusing many. So here is what you really need to do to avoid the virus. The 100% sure shot way of avoiding the virus is by not getting exposed to it at all. If you practice all the social distancing and hygiene norms advised, you will not be exposed to the virus and hence you will not be infected. However, the immunity comes into picture after the virus has entered your system. Then having a good immune function helps in not developing any symptoms or falling sick. Immunity is like a multi-skilled army working against different enemies all the time. So how you need different foods to meet all your requirements, immunity also requires a lot of different factors over a long time. There isn't just one food that can help support your immunity. The different factors are good sleep, hydration, stress management, exercise and nutrition. I've done a whole series on this some time back with the tips on how you can act on each of these factors through simple lifestyle changes in your habits. You can have a look at them on my Instagram or Facebook page. Now that you know about how to build a good immunity, let's have a look at some of the myths that are currently popular. Can an alkaline diet help? There have been messages that state particular foods and their pH levels and how they will help. From basic chemistry learnt in school, you may know that pH of any substance can be from 0 to 14, 0 being highly acidic and 14 being highly alkaline. The message states pH levels of 16 and 21 which are well beyond 14 and may not be true. Also, our body maintains a different pH in every part based on its function. Like mouth may be slightly acidic, stomach is more acidic, blood may be slightly alkaline. So body has complex mechanism to maintain the pH levels. Just by eating some foods, you cannot reset it. Nevertheless, foods like lemon and avocado are all good for you, so there's no harm in including them in your diet. Should you take herbs like tulsi, ginger, garlic, etc. to avoid it? These are excellent foods that help you in maintaining good health and immunity. So definitely include them in your diets. But just by having a cup of kadha, if you think you are immune against the virus, then I'm afraid that may not be true. Whether to eat meat or no is another question that I keep getting asked all the time. WHO has maintained that it is safe to eat meat. Therefore, if you are a regular meat eater, you can go ahead and eat it regularly. You have to take care of just two things. Make sure it is cooked properly, and secondly, follow the good hygiene practices so that in case there is any contamination while handling the package, then you sanitize it well before using. I've cleared some of the myths. If you have any other that have been bothering you, please mention them in the comment section so I can answer them for you. However, you may keep coming across new ones every day. Then how do you know whom to trust? Firstly, do not trust any WhatsApp message that you do not know the source of. Secondly, there have been a lot of official authorities who have been putting latest guidelines on what you really need to do. So I'm listing some of the trustworthy ones which I closely follow. The first one is World Health Organization or WHO. They have access to data from all over the world and they regularly put out guidelines on how to wash your vegetables or fruits or sanitize your clothes or what medicines are authorized for the treatment of COVID, etc. They also have another account for Southeast Asia which puts regional mythbusters and information which may come in handy for us. Secondly, Indian Ministry of Health and Family Welfare account. They put awareness messages in both Hindi and English regularly. They are doing a series on habits that we all need to inculcate right now. So you can check the government guidelines on this particular account. Next one is my personal favorite for all food safety related guidelines. It is the FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. They put excellent guidelines on how to handle your food, tips for the current times, some mythbusters like whether pepper or garlic can help cure or rasam can cure, etc. Last but not the least, Ministry of Ayush has also given good Ayurveda based home remedies and tips. They are currently doing a series on how to manage dealing with stress, disturbed sleep, and other mental health issues. So do check them out. So that's my list of accounts you should follow for guidelines that you can trust. I've put the handles for all these accounts in the captions section. If you have any other accounts that you trust, please mention them below in the comments. I would love to follow some more accounts to know more information that can help all of us. So in this video, we have learned about how to build good immunity, busted some myths that are currently popular, and you also know a list of official accounts that you can follow to get trustworthy guidelines. Hope this has helped you. Stay tuned for the next video to discuss some of the practical nutritional guidelines for the current times. If you have any personal queries or need advice, please drop me an email on unboxnutrition@gmail.com. Please like the video if this video has been helpful, share it with others, and subscribe to get regular video updates from us. Keep unboxing nutrition with us.